In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in Clickup. Clickup is a comprehensive work management tool, and mastering these skills will help streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to get started by navigating to the Clickup website. Head over to their site, clickup.com, which is known as the Everything app for work. Once there, you need to log into your Clickup account. If you're not already logged in, click on the login button, which is prominently displayed on the home page. Now, one convenient feature that Clickup offers is the ability to sign in through Google. Simply click on the Sign into Google option to make logging in quick and easy. Choose the Google account associated with your Clickup workspace. This step ensures a secure and streamlined process. Once logged in, it's time to locate the specific list where you want to make adjustments. Navigate to the appropriate list by selecting it from your dashboard. You should now be in a position to access all the tasks and details contained within that list. To remap due dates or reassign tasks, you'll need to use the Gantt view in Clickup. Click on the Gantt option associated with the list you're working on. The Gantt view provides a visual representation of your tasks and timelines, making it an excellent tool for managing schedules. Now, to view the tasks within the Gantt chart, click the arrow next to your list. This expands the task details, allowing you to see each task listed with its specific details and current assignments. You can click and drag these tasks across the timeline to adjust their positions and due dates. Simply hold and drag a task to a new position on the timeline to remap the due date as needed. Once you've adjusted the task's position on the Gantt chart, confirm the new date. Click directly on the task in the Gantt view. This will open up more detailed options for the task, allowing you to make precise changes. This includes viewing the assigned user and adjusting it if necessary. To change the assignee for a task, find the assignee section and give it a click. You will see a list of potential team members to whom you can reassign the task. Select the person who is best suited to take on the responsibility and make sure the changes are reflected. And there you have it, a straightforward way to remap due dates and reassign tasks in Clickup. By leveraging these features, you can efficiently manage your workflow and ensure that the right tasks are completed by the right people at the right time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Now go ahead and give it a try.